Good day, everyone. Welcome back to another Dope. And today we're doing a little song comparison, comparing two speakers from two different manufacturers. This is the Soundcore Boom 2, which I absolutely love, versus the ULTIMEA Solo B30 Pro, which I also absolutely love. This is a portable speaker. This is a device primarily meant for your home. You put it, let's say, in your office, your bedroom, your kitchen if you wanted to. You set it up. It works with Bluetooth. It has optical cable. Has like USB. This is a device you primarily use with Bluetooth. But for this particular video, I want to do a song comparison because I believe speaker wise, size wise, audio wise, I believe they are somewhat in the same ecosystem. This has one subwoofer here, two speakers in front, just like this. This has two speakers in the front, and the subwoofer sits on the bottom. So, what I like to do is just to show you two different speakers designed for two different environments competing in the same audio space, I believe. I believe that to some extent there is room for Ultimia to begin to make portable speakers, whereas for Soundcore, there's room for Soundcore to start making home speakers. So let's just see how they compete. I think that's a good comparison, right? So let's check this out. So I already have this hooked up. I'm going to play this video over here, and then I believe I'll have to turn the Bluetooth off, set this Bluetooth up, and then do a sound comparison so you can see. So just so you could see, there's a fairness, right? Ultimia, I have, is it hooked up already? Let me just make sure it's hooked up. It's off. This is all live, guys. This is all live. This is real life. All right, Bluetooth is on. For this video, for both videos, what I'll do, I will run the music EQ, and just keep it fair. So the music EQ, and I would put the volume for both videos. Let's do 25 to 30. So 25 to 30 on both videos, right? So this is 25. Videos already set up, ready to go. Let's go. Which video? Where's my audio? Come on, where's my audio? Why is it not playing? 1 second here. What's off? What is off? It says Bluetooth on. Disconnected. All right, don't know what happened there. Obviously, when you're doing things in real time, stuff could go wrong. So, all right, Bluetooth is connected. I'm going to play maybe 1 minute of this video and then switch over to the Soundcore. Again, for both, I'm using the music profile that they set. I'm not going to use my customized EQ. And then I'm going to switch over between a volume of 25 and maybe go up to maybe 30. Let's go. Not bad, right? Well, to be honest, I started off at 32. I brought it back down to 30. Just to push the volume limits a little bit more, I'll go up to 35. So which means when I start with this, I'll start at 30 and go up to 35. So let's go. We're going up, we're going up, and we're going up. So, all right, we're here at 35. Let's go. Not bad, right? You know what? Just because it's you, I'm going up to 40. Going up to 40. Switching things up on the fly.
I was thinking, you know how they're gonna keep all the cars over there?
turn this off. All right, so that's disconnected. I'm gonna turn this on. I'll make sure it's connected. Come on. You know you want to connect. Come on, Soundcore. You know you want to do it. Connected. Bada bing, bada bong. All right. So that's connected, right? So this is connected. So let's go to the Soundcore app. Make sure we all set. All right, we're in the Soundcore app. Soundcore app is probably one of the best mobile apps in the game right now, to be very honest with you. It's very, very well designed, very well built. Like you could even spin the speakers if you wanted to. You have all of your controls right here. I mean, both apps from both parties are pretty good. The only issue with Soundcore doesn't let you know the percent of your actual volume. So I'm going to gauge that this is 30 and here it's probably up to 40. So I don't really know because it's not really clear. But for the EQ, as I said, I'll be running presets. So they don't really have a music, but they have a signature. So I'll be running Soundcore signature, volume set to about 30, moving up to 40. Look how cool this is, right? Did they get rid of this? Please tell me you didn't get rid of it. You used to be able to hit this and spin your speakers if you wanted to. I don't know why they got rid of this. So just as a quick little reminder, two speakers here, right? So two smaller speakers. I would assume those would be your mid-range and your bigger subwoofer here. But main difference between these two is that this has passive radiators on both sides. So you have your passive radiators on both sides. All right, so we have that set. Let me go back in the video, bring this video back, and let's go. Again, not really clear what percent volume this is, but I'm assuming somewhere between 30 to 40. So I'm going between 30 to 40 on both of these. So let's go. Ooh. I gotta admit, this little beast got some bass. This little beast from Soundcore got some bass. Listen to this. Well, to be honest, I do have bass up on the Soundcore. I do not believe that this has bass up. I could double check. I could go back into the app and see if this has like a bass up feature. I think, one second here. Oh yeah, so on the remote control, it does have a bass up. I did not turn the bass up on that. So maybe for fairness, I'll turn the bass off. I don't know if the bass is up on this. I could double check the app, but for right now, I'll turn the bass off so you could just get a fair comparison. All right, fair is fair. We're trying to be fair over here. Even with the bass off, the bass sounds nice. Because I kind of gauge where exactly 40% is, I'm going to do 50% on both of these. I'm going to turn the bass up on this, and hopefully I can find the bass up on the app from ULTIMEA. So this to me looks like 50%, bass up 50%. That's the new like guidelines for both of them. All right, bass up 50%. Let's go. Clear mids, clear highs, deep bass, crystal clear audio from this portable speaker from Soundcore. This Boom 2 from Soundcore is one of my favorite speakers. I just got a speaker. I'm still learning all the intricate details about it, so don't be too mad at me. So, just to be fair, I'm gonna go back to the ULTIMEA. First off, I'm gonna turn this off. All right, turn this bad boy back on. Go back to the app. And let me see if I could turn the bass up feature on this. Unfortunately, I cannot turn the bass up over the app. Let me see if there's an update. Unfortunately, I cannot control the bass up, and I don't want to switch battery. Oh my god. All right, you guys are gonna make me do it. All right, guys, you want it, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna switch the batteries up right now so you can hear the bass, so everybody could be happy and not think that this is an unfair test. All right, because we're trying to be fair over here. Come on now, don't do that. Do not do that. All right, pop this bad boy out. All right, let's try and be fair over here. That's all we could be, fair over here. All right, pop that bad boy out. Slide this bad boy in, and crank my bass up. All right, bass is up. I don't want to hear you cry now. That wasn't a fair fight. And we are set to music. All right. And as I said, volume at 50 for both of them. So volume at 50, bass all the way up, EQ set to music, bringing the video back to ground zero, and start it. Not bad. Not bad. Again, for a small desk speaker, office, maybe kitchen entertainment, small room, good speaker. For a small portable speaker to take to the beach, tons of great features. I'm not even going to dive into all the features this has. I have a video up on that. You can check that out. Great speaker. But just to be very honest with you, this little speaker from Soundcore, I would repeat over and over and over, is absolutely amazing. Great bass, great audio. I believe that these are two new brands that are competing within the same space eventually, and they don't even know it. Hopefully, ULTIMEA gets into the portable speakers. That would be great to see some stuff from ULTIMEA. Hopefully, Soundcore gets into the home entertainment system. That would be great to see from Soundcore. So again, this is just a quick review. Two dope pieces of tech from two dope audio manufacturers. You gotta admit, these are dope. Living in two different spaces, but eventually, hopefully, they will begin to compete in different segments. You gotta admit, pretty dope. Until next time, see you guys.